In this question here, we have a circle with a center at 3, 0, and one endpoint of the radius at 16/3, 2. So let's just kind of envision what that circle would look like. It's got a center at 3, 0. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 0. And then the endpoint is 16/3. Let's imagine what that is. You can use your calculator or you can use your arithmetic skills to see that this is really 5 1/3. So on the x-axis, we're going to go to 5. I'm using 2 spaces for each one. I hope that's not confusing. But 5 1/3 is kind of like around here. And 2. So we're going 2 up is right there. So the second point is right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got 3, 0, and 5 1/3, 2. And that is our radius. And that is our radius and our endpoint. So let's go ahead and put a circle in that picture that fits this description. And it looks a little bit like that. So now the radius is a diagonal line segment on the XY axis. And you can find the length of any diagonal line segment using the Pythagorean theorem. As we've been mentioning, at Grateful, we're not big fans of the distance formula. The distance formula is a result of using the Pythagorean theorem. So why not just use the Pythagorean theorem? It's way simpler than the super complicated looking distance formula. But we can find the distance from here to here. That's an easy distance. It's the distance from a height of 0 to a height of 2. Let me just go ahead and put the points on here. So yeah, so the height is from a height of 0 to a height of 2. So it's a length of 2. And the horizontal length is going from 3 to 5 1/3. So 16/3 minus 3 by arithmetic or on your calculator, that's 2 1/3. Also known as 7/3 if you convert from the mixed number to the improper fraction. So we've got a right triangle. Just going to redraw it here with 2 and 7/3 here. And we can find the length of the radius by using Pythagorean. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. 7/3 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. Squaring 7/3 gives you 49/9 plus 4 equals c squared. That 4 is really 4/1. 49/9 plus 4/1 equals c squared. Now we can multiply that 4/1 by 9/9, and it would become 36/9 to get us common denominators. 49 plus 36 is 85. So right now at this point, we've got c squared equal to 85/9. If we needed the radius, we could take the square root of that, and it's the square root of 85 over the square root of 9, which is 3. But what we're trying to do right now is plug into the circle formula. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So x minus the x center, which is 3, squared, y minus the y center, which is 0, so that's just y squared, equals the radius squared. This is our radius, so this is our radius squared, and that's actually what we need there. 85/9, and the answer choice that matches that is answer choice B, actually answer choice D on this question.